Inventory is consistent report to report, though it is up 45% from last year. It's Friday, September 12th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Overall, there were 122 sales in August, up 6.1% from last August, at a median sold price of $625,250. This is up 1.7% year over year. This report, homes available for sale are at 221 units at a median $699,000. 24 homes are coming soon. 39 homes went under contract in 14 days with a median list price of $599,000. 32 homes sold for 96.6% list to sold ratio in 15 days with a median sales price of $632,000. 11 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $615,000 sales price in 6 days. 17 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $765,000 in 11 days. 4 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $575,000 in 32 days. There are 50 homes for lease at $3,050 median dollars per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 12th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.